Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we have yet more gear that I want to show you. This goes kind of along with the Godox iM30 that we reviewed last week. I did a box opening and then we did a photo shoot with it, and I was really amazed by this little flash. We didn't get any weird shadows, we didn't get any red eye, we didn't get anything. It did really good, and we shot outside, and I was just really impressed with what this little flash did. So let me get started. So let's get started. I'm going to show you what we got. So what we got now is the Godox iA32. This flash and this flash, I want to see what kind of difference we get. This was a $35 flash. This is a $50 flash. So not much difference in price. But let's see it. Now, I haven't opened this yet, but there was no plastic wrapping around this. So we're just going to open it up and see what's in there. Now, there's one thing about this flash that really, one of you guys on the channel, James, showed me this flash. I hadn't even seen that it came out. But what really got my attention about this flash more than anything is if you can see right here, you can see the flash bulb. Well, you can take this and you can turn it so you can go flash straight ahead, or you can bounce your flash just by turning this dial right here. So 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 75, and 90 degree angle. So, and I thought that was very ingenious. I like that. So not only is it built in, but you get a little diffusion too. So I like that a lot. This one, the first one, the iM30, was totally manual. This one shoots manual, but it also has an auto setting, so it'll be a little bit easier to operate, and I think it's got a little bit more power than the iM30, and for $15, I just want to see if it's worth the extra $15, and something tells me, just because I know me, I think it's worth it without even trying it, just because I just love how they did that bounce flash. I just think that's very cool. So I think it takes batteries, and I don't think I have any batteries on me at the minute. Yeah, it takes 2 batteries, so, but we will finish opening the box. That is the flash right there. That is the Godox iA32. I'll leave a link down below. $49 from Godox. I got it at B&H is where I got that one. And let's see what all we got in the box here. So we got our instruction booklet. And we got a little carrying bag, so that's kind of cool. I was hoping it would say Godox on it somewhere, but it don't. So anyway, you can drop that down in the bag, and boom, you are good to go. Oh, there it does. Okay, it says Godox right here on the side. I figured it said Godox somewhere, but right there, if you can see right there, it does say Godox. So anyway, but yes, I was surprised because, too, we had a lot of interest from you guys in this little iM30. A lot of people were interested in this, and I think it's because it's a very good flash, and $35, come on. That's like a 1980 price, $35 for a flash that works really good. That's incredible. This one's only $49, so I'm really blown away by what Godox is doing. Now, Newer is another company that makes similar products to Godox. And in the last couple of years, Godox has really been just blowing the roof off with all their stuff they're putting out. I mean, they're really making a name for themselves. And I think Newer is really trying to catch up with Godox. So if you're getting into flashes, now might be a good time, because it seems like if Godox puts out something, then Newer's going to put out something. So it's a good time to be a photographer in that world, because I think we've got some great gear that'll be coming our way, and it's all priced reasonable, and they're going to be competing with each other, because Newer, I believe, is trying to come after Godox. That's just my opinion. Could be completely wrong. But I'm very anxious to get this, and this is, you don't have to buy this for your exact camera. It's got the one pin, so it fits on any album. But I will do a photo shoot with this and see what we can get. And that's about it. Show you guys the box again. The Godox iA32 with the bounce flash on the side. Gotta love that. That's just cool. I like that idea. Pretty sweet. But anyway, guys, that is all for today. I just want to do a quick unboxing and show you the new Godox flash. And we're going to be comparing these two, because like I said, if you saw the video on this one, I'll link it down at the bottom. Click, you can go back and see the shoot we did with this one if you missed it the first time. And then we'll be doing the one with this one and comparing them to see which one, if this one's worth the $15 extra more than this one. So anyway, guys, I appreciate it. I'll leave a link down at the bottom. You guys have a great day. If you have any questions, leave a message down at the bottom and give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. You guys have a fantastic day. Thank you. Hey guys, I just want to take this second of your time. If you guys would please hit like and subscribe, it would go a long ways toward helping our channel and help us keep making these videos. Thank you.